When school is out of session, keep your kids actively engaged through RECQuest. RECQuest offers an engaging, healthy, and affordable recreation and development program for children to learn, play, and serve in a safe and structured environment during spring, summer, and winter breaks. The program, operated by the Fairfax County Department of Neighborhood and Community Services, is available for children in grades 1 through 6 at several locations throughout the county.
RECQuest is much more than your average recreation program because we emphasize fun, but we also support the youth development. So the youth are literally on a quest to develop lifelong skills such as socialization, teamwork, STEM, and leadership.
RECQuest involves a variety of activities, including sports and games, arts and crafts, project-based activities, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and so much more to keep your child learning and growing while school is not in session.
I would describe RECQuest as fun and enjoyable because they have a lot of things to do.
You can draw, you can play on the computer, you can play sports in the gym.
Water, Army, Air Force, Navy.
One of the games we play is Army, Air Force, and Marines. How you play it is you have to be in the corner, and there's going to be taggers, and you have to run for your life and make it back to your place without getting hit by a ball.
I like RECQuest because we can do arts and crafts like these bracelets, and we can play on computers and make slime.
I enjoyed making slime because it had to do with STEAM, and it's basically science, technology, engineering, and math. So the best part is when I started just mixing up the colors, and then everybody else had beautiful colors, beautiful, everything beautiful, but mine's turned out to look like zombie poop, something like that, but it was still fun in the making. And I made slime before, but I haven't used like tablespoons, stuff like that. I just made it for fun, but this one was more serious, not serious, but serious in a good fashion way.
With extended hours, RECQuest is a great option for working parents.
You're very welcome.
And don't worry about packing food. RECQuest provides nutritious lunches and snacks for all participants.
I enjoy going to RECQuest because I get to meet new people. I enjoy the people around me. They have a good feeling. I like the sports here. They have good food. And it's basically good quality. It's like a better version of school.
With such a variety of activities, RECQuest is an opportunity that you don't want to pass up. RECQuest fees are based on a sliding scale depending on household income, making the program an affordable option for Fairfax County families. There are also scholarship opportunities available for qualifying participants.
We would encourage kids to sign up for this program because we just like to have fun. We're all about the business of having fun. We're all about the business of making sure that we are deliberate about helping our kids develop while they're having fun and incorporating the learning into the fun.
If RECQuest didn't exist, I would just be in the house watching TV, and I wouldn't be doing the computer and making new friends.
RECQuest is like a box of chocolates because you never know what you're gonna get. And the staff members are very energetic and fun, and they're like chocolate because each one of the staff members have their own flavor. Some of them are sweet, some of them are athletic, some of them are smart. You would come here because you enjoy coming.
Over the years, RECQuest has continued to provide amazing life experiences for Fairfax County kids. Building confidence and exploring talents is what this program is all about through fun learning activities and supervised play. Because we know, through RECQuest, Fairfax kids can reach for the stars, even when school is out. To learn more about Fairfax County's RECQuest program, or to register for an upcoming spring, summer, or winter session, visit our website. You can also call the Fairfax County Department of Neighborhood and Community Services at 703-324-4600 TTY 711.